In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your Microsoft Bookings page so other people can easily schedule time with you online, whether you're using bookings for client appointments, internal meetings, or office hours. Sharing your public page is the key step that actually lets others start booking. First, let's open the Microsoft Bookings website. In your web browser, go to the address bar at the top and type book.ms, then press enter. This is a short, direct link that takes you straight to the Microsoft Bookings experience without needing to remember a long URL. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in with your work or school account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your bookings environment. This is where your booking calendars, services, and scheduling settings live. Make sure you're in the correct booking calendar that you want to share. If your organization uses multiple booking pages, double check that you've selected the right one before moving on. Now that you're on the proper booking page, look for the option that lets you share it. On the main booking screen, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is typically located near the top of the page, and it's specifically designed to help you distribute your public booking link. Go ahead and click the Share button. When you do this, Microsoft Bookings will show you the URL for your public landing page. This is the page your customers, colleagues, or students will see when they're choosing a time slot with you or your team. It includes any services you've set up, available dates and times, and any custom information you've added. From here, you can copy that URL. In most cases, there will be a simple copy option right next to the link. Click it, and the full address for your public bookings page will be copied to your clipboard. This means you can now paste it wherever you like. Once you've copied the URL, think about the best way to share it with your audience. You can paste it into an email signature, so every message you send includes a book a meeting link. You can add it to your website or intranet, so visitors can schedule time without going back and forth by email. You might also share it in chat tools like your organization's messaging app, or include it in calendar invites for ongoing projects. One helpful tip is to test the link yourself before widely sharing it. Open a new browser window or a private browsing session, paste the URL, and make sure the page loads correctly. You should see your public landing page with the available services and time slots you expect. This quick check can help you catch any configuration issues early. That's all there is to it. By going to book.ms, clicking the Share button, and copying the URL for your public landing page, you've created a simple, reliable way for others to book time with you. Once people start using this link, you'll likely notice fewer back and forth emails and a smoother scheduling experience for everyone involved.